guys, this is the Alien Highway. It looks like we're gonna head over to the Black Mailbox. I have absolutely no idea what that is or what that means. There's no information other than if you're looking to spot aliens, you have to start here. So I guess we're gonna try it. So what is the Black Mailbox anyway? Yeah, we had no idea. It just popped up on my GPS as we were driving down the extraterrestrial highway. And it was like, this is a cool place to go if you like aliens. So why not? Obviously a message from beyond. And we drive over to the mailbox. It is actually just as its name says, a black mailbox on the side of the road near Area 51. And it's just a black mailbox. I guess it's a meeting spot for alien enthusiasts. And a place for people to leave letters and gifts for aliens.
I was the one who was gonna sacrifice myself in case there's something that's gonna come out of the mailbox. So, you know, I was brave enough to open it. Okay, well, I have a gift for you.
That's a bullet. That is a huge piece of ammunition. Jeez.
You want to promote your business? Come to the Black Mailbox. We say hi to Johnny Lopez. Hi, Johnny Lopez. We just learned about your business, The Adventures of Lone Wolf on YouTube.
So we open it up and there's a lot of weird stuff inside. There's business cards, flyers. There was a bullet shell. You know, all normal stuff. Incense. I can only guess that they were gifts to the aliens because no one really explains the Black Mailbox past that to me, so that's what I'm gonna go with. Who knows what it really is? Anyway, there is a building right out there. Wow. We're gonna put on the closer lens and see what we can see. We actually grabbed a telescope that I had, and we're trying to like check out Area 51 from the Black Mailbox. We saw a couple buildings. Who knows if it was actually a part of Area 51, but we did.
Yeah, big disappointment. No bones, no aliens, no nothing. Just these random things.
I smell aliens, maybe. Oh, come on. Yours is going? No?
No.
Me too.
Aliens.
People put stickers on here and then they just spray paint over it with the black.
I think this is not working.
The road appears to mysteriously disappear. We made it to the extraterrestrial highway. That looks like a corral made out of rock, which is pretty cool, honestly. Cows are still staring at us.
It snows and rains, it never breaks down.
That broke down. That broke down. Yeah, that is unsafe.
Completely.
Oh, we're going up there. Towards that guy. It's like a mine shaft. We keep seeing out there a bunch of roads that are not on Google Maps that lead over towards Area 51, but there's nothing. They're not on the map. They're just there, leading in that direction. So they're probably for security people. But...
Yeah, and all the power lines, you know, when you look at the power lines, they're going somewhere. Maybe to the entry of the Area 51 that's possibly underground. Because they need power there. Where else are you gonna do this?
Right. So these mountains right here?
Yep. We have a strong feeling that this is it. There was an RV park, surveillance sort of looking like. And if there's something underground, we think it's in these hills. So I think we found it.
It does look like a nice home or something.
I think I see the chimney sticking out. Look. You see the power lines just ended as soon as we passed that hill. I'm telling you, this is it. This is the Area 51 where it all happens. Look, there's no more power lines.
That's it. That was it.
That was it, guys. While Deja is thinking about Italian food and nice pasta, Mel and I just discovered the real Area 51.
And now there's vastness.
And there's a plane, and it's landing right there. And it's a no-fly zone, so it must be the government.
We spent the night that second day after we went all the way down the extraterrestrial highway, which is really cool, by the way. I should point out that the pretty much entire perimeter around Area 51 has absolutely no service. So that was an adventure in itself. But luckily we made it down the extraterrestrial highway and over to Tonopah, which is an area in Nevada. It's an old mining town, and it's a place I've been wanting to go pretty much forever. It's pretty cool, although it is an old mining town, so there were no vegan options for Kat pretty much at all. And we spent the night at this like Wild West casino type hotel. We had an RV park out back, and we had a nice dinner there, and we sat by the campfire and did some work. And then
Deja, what did you do?
I cooked. I was thinking instant soup, and it was not instant soup. You need to cook that soup. So
There's raw noodle or uncooked noodles in the soup.
there is a little shell.
It's crunchy and hard.
Yeah.
It's like nuts in it or something.
I'm sorry. I just realized that right now when you said it.
Yeah,
that
like
you need to cook it.
Like you need to read
It's
the
in
instructions.
it's in the baggy sauce. Thinking it's instant soup. You just pour the water and done deal.
You know what I think like
I
all the
forgot
time?
you need to cook it for like I think 9 minutes.
Well, yeah, I can tell because it's not cooked whatsoever.
You're gonna get full more. You're gonna get more full. Your stomach's gonna have to work on it.
HonestReviews.com.
this is what a successful end of the day looks like.
Chewing with the homies. Green homies.
Well, you need to have like mug to match us.
I love your mug, Deja.
Listen, or like for
I didn't like it first. I love it now.
Good.
Thank you, Kat.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
You choking him. You holding his nose.
Yeah, baby.
That's not what aliens.
And then me and Darren walked over to the world famous Clown Motel. And that's where I spent the night.
Yes, we are actually walking 1.6 miles
Shit's falling apart.
to the Clown Motel,
need
and
to
it's
raise.
freezing, and we're in the desert. And this is how real adventures happen, guys.
Where's my ski mask when I need it?
Oh my god, it's cold. Now, is there a sidewalk, though? That's my concern. Where's the sidewalk? What side of the street is the Clown Motel on? We made it to the world famous Clown Motel.
And it's next to an old cemetery. So there's this old 1900s miners cemetery with a bunch of like stereotypical rock graves and wooden crosses that's open 24 hours a day, so you can walk over there at midnight. And it's literally next to the property of the world famous Clown Motel.
That's where it's at. That is a gorgeous fridge. Holy gosh.
Any clowns in it?
We're gonna find out. No clowns. Empty fridge.
Nothing.
Man, I should have brought my drinks. I didn't bring a single damn drink, and we have like a bunch in that RV.
We stayed in the Clownvis suite, but there's also the Exorcist suite. There's Friday the 13th. Like, they have clown-inspired horror movies. So it's pretty wild. You can rent paranormal equipment while you're here if you want to see if the place is haunted for yourself. And yeah, it's definitely worth the adventure if you're into clowns, weird stuff, or just having a really unique adventure out west. After we spent the night at the Clown Motel, and I lived, guys, I didn't get killed. Yay! We packed everything up and drove back over the border into California, into a different mining town, and that one had vegan food because we were, in fact, back in California. There's vegan options in the Old West.
I am very impressed. But we're in California.
We are in California.
Yeah, that
We're in
makes sense.
California.
So they don't have a pasta yet?
No.
How about tortillas?
You don't want the big burger.
No.
Salad is the theme for this afternoon's lunch. Cat salad. Mallory salad. Dijon salad. Cheers to the salad.
Yeah, the salad. You know, it's always the salad, right? Just don't put chicken on it or don't put cheese. But you know what? Surprisingly, as basic as that salad was, it was actually very, very good. I have learned to survive on very little food because honestly, I believe we shouldn't eat much anyway. We should eat very little. I think the portions should be like the size of our stomach and, you know, not like some big heavy meals.
We ended our trip in that little town in California and spent the rest of the time in the RV driving home forever and ever and ever and ever. Lots of driving. So until next time, we're signing out
Because E.T. phone home.